All right, on this one here, we got a kitchen GFCI that won't reset. Let's go check the breaker box. Kitchen GFI. Not sure which one it is, so we'll shut them both off. And we got no power. Okay, first we'll remove the ground wire. Okay, look on the back of our outlet. See which one is our line, which is right here. And so this is our load. So the lines are at the bottom. Bottom two, that's our line. These two are our load. Grab a new GFCI. And on the back of the new one, our line is also at the bottom. You just got to be careful. Sometimes you'll find one that the line is located at the top, so you want to make sure you always check for line and load when you have two sets of wires going into your outlet. So we'll go ahead and hook our ground up first. Okay, white on this side with your silver screws, and your black on this side with your brass screws. I like to snug them up with the screwdriver using the square bit. Okay, let's tuck the wires back in. it back with a new faceplate. Okay, let's turn the breaker back on, test it out. Okay, got our green light. And we'll test the GFCI. Okay, let's check the other outlets. And these all run off that GFCI. If I hit the button, you hear it trip out. And now we'll reset it. There we go. It's reset. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.